So looking at a resistance band pull apart, all we're gonna do with that is take our band here like this. You wanna hold about, maybe about shoulder width apart here, maybe a little bit more depending on how strong your upper back is. But all you're gonna do is take that band and just rip it, keeping your palms down, and just rip the band apart, squeezing your shoulder blades, and then back, right? Keeping tightness on the band the whole time, pull, and then keeping that band tight, pull, right? So from the side, that's gonna look like your arms, just a very slight bend in the elbows, and then you're pulling, almost like you're trying to pull your pinkies and you drive your elbows back behind your back, and you're squeezing your shoulder blades as you are ripping that band apart, right? Making sure that you're not pulling here, you're not pulling down like this. You want to pull straight back and try to squeeze your shoulder blades as you are doing that pulling motion, okay? So that is a resistance band pull apart.